Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to backup WhatsApp messages on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to backup your WhatsApp message, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open the WhatsApp app and here tap on the settings in the bottom right corner and then select chats from here, and here you will get the chat backup option. Select that and here you will get an option of backup now. You have to simply tap on it and then it will automatically upload your WhatsApp backup. So in this way you can easily backup your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone, or if you want to export or restore your chat, you just have to select export chat and here you'll get your backed up WhatsApp chat. You just have to select the chat and your chat will be restored or exported. So in this way you can easily get WhatsApp backup on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.